Have you ever wondered how hookah flavor is made? The world of hookah is one that is rich in tradition, culture, and of course, flavor. From the tantalizing tang of fresh apple to the soothing sweetness of vanilla, the range of hookah flavors available today is as diverse as those who enjoy them. Each puff is a testament to the intricate process behind creating these flavors, a process that's both an art and a science. It's a dance of careful balance and precise measurements, where the slightest alteration can result in a completely different taste experience. This is a world where creativity meets chemistry, and the result is the smoky, fragrant swirls that fill the air in hookah lounges and living rooms around the globe. But what really goes into creating these captivating concoctions? What is the secret behind the symphony of flavors that dance on your palate with each puff? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind your favorite hookah flavors. The making of hookah flavor begins with understanding its key components. At the heart of this delicious and aromatic pastime are three main ingredients: tobacco, glycerin, and flavoring agents. Each plays a pivotal role in the creation of the hookah flavor we all know and love. First up, we have the tobacco. This fundamental component forms the base of all hookah flavors. The type of tobacco used can significantly impact the overall smoking experience, as different varieties offer unique flavor profiles and strengths. From the robust and dark leaf tobacco, known for its intense flavors and high nicotine content, to the lighter and more delicately flavored blonde leaf tobacco, the choice of tobacco sets the stage for the rest of the flavor creation. Next on our list is glycerin. This colorless and odorless liquid is a vital ingredient in hookah flavor production. It serves as a humectant, meaning it helps retain moisture. This is crucial in ensuring that the tobacco doesn't dry out and burn too quickly when heated. Glycerin also contributes to the production of those thick, billowing clouds of smoke that are a signature trait of hookah smoking. Last but certainly not least, we have the flavoring agents. These are what give each hookah flavor its unique taste and aroma. Flavoring agents can be natural or artificial, and are often a closely guarded secret by hookah companies. From fruity and sweet to spicy and robust, the possibilities are virtually endless when it comes to creating unique flavor combinations. Together, these three components work in harmony to produce the hookah flavors that have captivated smokers for centuries. The tobacco provides the base, the glycerin ensures a smooth and enjoyable smoking experience, and the flavoring agents bring the final product to life with their vibrant tastes and aromas. Now that we've got the basics down, let's dive deeper into the process. Creating the perfect hookah flavor is a delicate balance of precision and creativity. The first step in creating a hookah flavor involves the selection and preparation of tobacco. High-quality tobacco is the cornerstone of a great hookah flavor. The tobacco leaves are selected with care, ensuring they are ripe, robust, and free of any imperfections. Once chosen, the leaves are then sun-dried, a process that intensifies their innate flavor. After the tobacco has dried, it's time to prepare it for the addition of flavoring. The leaves are soaked in water to remove any bitterness, and this process can take anywhere from several hours to a few days. Once the leaves have been sufficiently soaked, they're then dried again to prepare them for the next step. Now, the magic truly begins. The backbone of any hookah flavor is the glycerin and flavoring agents. Glycerin is a colorless, odorless liquid that produces the smoke in your hookah, while the flavoring agents are what give your hookah its distinct taste. These flavoring agents can be anything from fruit extracts to spice infusions, and the combinations are virtually endless. The glycerin and flavoring agents are carefully blended together in precise proportions to create a flavor base. Finally, the flavor base is introduced to the prepared tobacco. This is a meticulous process, as the flavor base needs to be evenly distributed throughout the tobacco leaves to ensure a consistent flavor experience. The tobacco is then left to marinate in the flavor base, typically for several days. This allows the tobacco to fully absorb the flavor, creating a taste that's rich, deep, and satisfying. The final steps involve packaging the flavored tobacco and storing it properly to maintain its freshness and flavor. It's then ready for hookah enthusiasts to enjoy, delivering a unique smoking experience that's both relaxing and flavorful. As you can see, creating a hookah flavor is a meticulous process, but the end result is worth the effort. There's more to making hookah flavors than meets the eye. Let's delve a little deeper into the finer points of the process. It all begins with quality ingredients. Like a master chef, a hookah flavor creator knows that the quality of the final product is directly tied to the quality of the ingredients they start with. From the tobacco leaves, meticulously sourced from the best plantations worldwide, to the natural and artificial flavorings used to give each blend its unique character, every element matters. Now let's talk about blending techniques. This is where the magic truly happens. Skilled flavor creators use different techniques to blend the tobacco and flavorings together, each method imparting a distinct note to the final concoction. Some prefer a subtle infusion, allowing the tobacco's natural character to shine through the added flavors. Others opt for a more intense mixing process, creating a bold and robust flavor profile that can transport you to a different world with each puff. But the process doesn't end there. The blend then undergoes a curing process, during which it is left to rest. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a harmonious balance that is key to a satisfying hookah experience. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about hookah flavors. Contrary to popular belief, the color of the tobacco doesn't always dictate the strength of the flavor. Also, while the smoke's thickness can be a sign of a well-prepared hookah, it doesn't necessarily indicate the quality of the flavor itself. It's the harmony of taste that truly matters. The creativity and craftsmanship that go into hookah flavor creation can often be overlooked. But just like a fine wine or a gourmet meal, a great hookah flavor is the result of a complex process that requires skill, patience, and a keen sense of taste. So the next time you enjoy your favorite hookah flavor, take a moment to appreciate the craft that has gone into its creation.